I'm going to show you how to change the headlight assembly to a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. I love how the guys always say you have to pop the hood first. Yeah, like as if we didn't already know. Check out the oxidation on these headlights. It's going to look like a brand new truck when I get done. The first thing you got to do is take these little clips out with a flathead screwdriver. There are 4 of them across the front. Actually, there are 6 altogether. Some on the outside and then 4 on the inside. This will allow you to easily remove the grill. You are going to need a 10mm socket wrench to remove the bumper from the front of the car. Here's just a couple of bolts. Take 2 seconds. I forgot to mention there's 4 more of these little clips you have to take out before you can remove the front bumper. After that, you can take it off really easy. The last thing you need to do to remove the bumper is to loosen these clips on the front, and it should come right down. There you go. Headlights are all exposed. I'm going to be able to get into those bolts that are holding those on and just replace them. We will be using that 10mm socket to remove the bolts that hold the headlights on. There'll be 1, 2, 3, it looks like, on each side. There's 1, 2, 3. Now, before I remove the headlights, I'm going to be wanting to unplug the existing electrical wires that are attached to the car. Okay, so that was a little bit easier said than done, but in order to do that, you have to move this red clip, push it that way, and then it enables you to disconnect the wires. With a little finesse, you can wiggle it right out of there. And take a look at the difference between this old headlight and the new one. Crazy. So once you take it out, change the bulbs, plug it back in, you just do everything in reverse. Put those bolts right back in. Of course, it's probably a good idea to make sure it works first before you tighten it all back down. Okay, moment of truth. It took me exactly an hour and a half to get this thing taken apart and put back together. Drum roll, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.